Okay, fellow YouTubers, as you can see, this is damage that has hit our backyard. Not really bad. We just went ahead and staked this tree back up right here. And we had to stake the vanilla ice cream bean tree back up. As you can see, the wind blew some of it down. Yeah. So not too bad. Let's go take a walk over here. Okay, so you can see the damage right here. That's tree still up here. Still have this right here. Yeah, so I gotta come back and put that pineapple back in there. Other than that, the rest of these, the moringa tree that snapped off right there at the top, it grows back real quickly, so I'm not gonna worry about that much. There, that's that other moringa right there, just leaning to the side. Okay, put some of that. Try to keep that there. All right. So as we go, let's take a walk over here. All right. So you don't see too much damage. This is the part of our fence that hubby's over here fixing right now, putting it back together. So that part right there just came off, but basically it's just snapped off, so we snapped it back on. The fence got pushed back a little, as you can see right here. Let's see. Well, anyway, so the pineapple patch, some parts fell over. So we can get down here. And, so we got to go in there and eventually straighten that out. As you can see, it's still raining some out here. This right here fell over. Let's see what else back here. We put some trees back here. All right. This right here, I got to re-anchor down. Right here. Okay. So anyway, I got to go ahead and fix that. Not bad. You know, not bad. We had some serious winds. So I expected more wind damage. And, you know, like I said, it's not bad, you know. We're blessed. Everybody's safe. Power just flickered off and on. Other than that, you know, we're blessed. You know, I thank the Lord for, you know, basically, and hopefully everybody else, you know, is doing better also. We have people that have a lot of damage here in the Central Florida area, but we sustained minor. I wouldn't even consider this minor compared to what a lot of other people, you know, they're in flood zones. I'm not in a flood zone. I live high up. So I kind of figured with the winds that we had sustained yesterday that we would actually have more damage. So I haven't really looked at the front of the house yet, but also I have a new roof, so I don't think there's any damage there, but I will be taking a look at it. Yeah, so pretty good, and like I said, we're blessed, doing good here. We'll just go ahead and patch up what we need to patch up. Since it's still raining, we'll go back in the house, and tomorrow will be another day of coming back up. Depending on the weather will bring the mango trees back out off the porch and out of the garage. So like I said, hubby's right now over there just patching up the fence over here. And you'll see a majority of my plants, I'd like to try to push them down near the ground so they wouldn't sustain too much damage. But I'm more, you know, concerned about the well-being of people and, you know, your pets and your family more than I'm worrying about a plant, you know. Because as anything with plants, we can go ahead and grow again. But you got to be allowed to do that, right? So the most important thing is your family and your safety. That's the most important thing. Everything else you could replenish, right? So any of you people that did the sustained damage, God will be in your will bless you, and you're in my prayers. And stay safe. Have a nice day. Goodbye.